Here's a simulation of a typical dry room. Did you know that 43% of the energy used in lithium-ion cell manufacturing is related to keeping the dry room dry? That's a huge requirement. And we can lower it dramatically. Here's one of our robust units that's capable of meeting those demands. Inside is our unique Exergic technology. Our units operate at low temperatures and use low GWP technologies such as thermal panels and CO2 heat pumps to generate energy needed to dry the air. Let's combine all of that and make a checklist of the key reduction points. Ready to dry with us?